fish. Hardly can sit up with them. What is going on, guys? Chris Bass's Fishing Adventures. And Kendall done caught her a nice bass. There you go, Kendall. Get hold of them, kid. That's a good way to start off the day, kid.
Oh yeah, he's great.
Alright guys, that's Kendall's new PB, showing 3.3, 3.5. Good looking fish. I got a feeling we're gonna catch a lot more out here today. Alright kid, go get them in the water. Give them a kiss first though. Alright, good job.
Oh, he took off.
Swam off nice and healthy. Good job, kid. Alright guys, getting ready to put some catfish baits out. I got a brand new set of catfishing poles here recently by Denali. The Denali Bottom Feeder series. This is a medium heavy. I got it paired with a PC Fun Chaos XS60, 80-pound braid. On this trip I only brought 3 medium heavies with me, but I got 7 in total of different combinations. Them 2 are identical. And then I have the spinning medium heavy with a Cast King Sharky 3 bait feeder, 65-pound braid. Beautiful looking combos. Alright guys, this is the first test on my new action camera. Hoping it's going to improve the quality on the channel quite a bit here. More go around. Fish this little live target bluegill swim bait soon. See if we can catch anything. I got 3 catfish poles out, a bait pole out, and my sister's got 2 catfish poles out. One on the end over here, and one by her. She's the only one with a fish so far, just a real nice bass, her personal best actually. Like I said, first time using this thing. Let's see about it. First time using this little live target swim bait too. The thing's interesting. I remember when they first came out at iCast years ago and I wanted to try them out, but I have since dropped bass fishing and switched to catfishing, and it's not going well right off the bat. Seaweed is blocking my line. I got it all over my line last time I was there. See what that thing looks like in the water. Don't look too bad. Maybe with a slower retrieve it'll look a little bit better. There's some big fish in here. I caught some 8-pounders out of this little pond. Got a big old island out in the middle of it. Private body of water. But it does connect to the river bottom every so often. Ooh, I got a bite right there, close to the bank. He just didn't fully commit to it. Hit it, he bumped it again. I don't know if I'll be that lucky this time. Near in a little shallower. Oh yeah. That is a slab crappie. No. Okay. It's rolling, I think it is. I just caught a slab crappie here on a, I know it was a funny bite. Caught my little swim bait of all things. Bluegill swim bait, slab crappie. Heck yeah, I'll take that. That is a nice crappie. I may save him for bait. I'll make sure he's of legal size to harvest here in Tennessee. And I'll probably put him in my bait tank because crappie makes good bait and I'm going to the river this weekend. Yes sir, it's all in there. Bam, pulled it out of his mouth. Oh yeah, we're on. That good. Yeah, nice little bass. I don't know if the camera got it or not, but pretty little bass. Forgive me if the video's a little funky. I'm still getting used to the camera, y'all, but that's a good looking little bass. We're set up down here. No, I'm good, thank you though. Give that fish a kiss and we're gonna let him go back in the water down here. Off he goes. Alright guys, I hope this thing's filming. I've decided to throw around the crappie jig a little bit on my little ultralight setup. See if we can pull any crappie off here to catch for bait. I got the one, but I need bait for the river this weekend, and I'd like to have a little bit of fresh bait when I'm sitting here, so I'm not just fishing with pros the whole time. Got it on a real light jig head. I'm not a crappie fisherman, so I don't know what size jig head it is, but it's awful light. On. Nice looking crappie once again. Well, I'm gonna go get a measurement on him. Maybe he's a good 10 inches. Hope so. I really need catfish bait. 2 with the crappie jig. No, I pulled a couple off this bush earlier, so I wouldn't be surprised at all. There we go. Hooked up. I knew there was some crappie on that bush. I think he may be a keeper too. Heck yes. Good little crappie. Good little crappie. We're going. Give him a kiss. I'm gonna set him down right there. Oh, okay. Hooked up again. This one. That's a good one. I hope this camera's filming. It is. Good. Another slab. I knew there had to be some more crappie out there. This is a slab. I know he's 10 inches. Good googly moogly. May have to have a fish fry. Get that slab on up here. Come on, feller. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. That is a nice crappie. You gonna go put him in there? We'll come hook up a stringer. Let me get Kendall. Throw him up for me. Heck yeah, kid. They could be dinner. We may end up saving them for dinner. I don't know. They look pretty tasty. Heck yeah. May need to get a stringer going for them. Get them. Oh yeah. Perfect. It's a bullhead. Alright, Kendall's a little bullhead catfish. I was going to keep him for flathead bait, but she wants to let him go since he's so cute and adorable, so off he goes. It's the kind of stuff we go through to go catch these fish. All my poles still okay up there? Coming on across? Be careful. Just ease yourself down into it, kid. You got it. Come on up, kid. Oh, be careful. Need a hand? Come on. Ah, up the hill you go. Figured I'd clean these crappie up for y'all and kind of show the process. Well, I managed to turn them 4 crappie into a nice plate of fillets. I'm gonna eat that in the morning time. It's gonna be good eating there. You can't beat crappie. It's some of the best eating fish there is. Crappie carcasses vacuum packed. Big ribeye on the skillet. Alright guys, that is the result of today's video. Got them crappie picked up and looking delicious.